To search for one or more specific contacts to send a message to, simply open the To bar like you normally would. We're going to choose our facility, which is Valleyfield Continued Care. And then under recipient type, we're going to choose resident contacts, search by resident name. You'll see a new pop-up search bar appear, and this is where you can start searching. So we know we need to remind Dolly to get her flu shot. So we're going to type in Dolly Schumann. Her name pops up, and now she's added to the list. You can continue to add as many recipients as you want by simply clearing the search bar and adding their names in. If you're not sure exactly how to spell their name, you can type in their either first or last initial. In this case, we're going to search for someone named Kelsey. We're going to type in a K. And you can see the whole list appears of every resident whose first or last name begins with K. Here we're going to choose Kelsey. And you can continue to add as needed. If you need to remove one specific resident, simply click the X next to their name and they will disappear from the list. And if you want to start all over again, just simply click the large X on the right-hand side and it will remove every contact selected. When you're happy with your list, simply click Apply and you will get a preview of who you are sending your message to in the To field.